say no. So imprisoned in your hold, loving you so much that I can't let go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. It feels like I haven't talked to the camera in so long because I've just been doing Halloween videos and voiceovers, which has been really fun. I love getting creative for you guys, and I thought I'd get creative today for you guys in another way. And by the way, I am wearing a shirt, just so you guys know. It is really like an off the shoulder one, but I had to wear this because the look I'm doing is going to go down to my chest. I thought I'd get creative again for you guys because I have been watching the latest Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star series. I absolutely love it so far. I don't know if there's going to be more episodes. The last one I watched was episode 3 and it ended with like Ryland and Shane getting engaged. I absolutely loved their last year's series, and I'm so looking forward to the makeup line that Shane and Jeffree are going to create together. I have been watching Shane Dawson probably since I was like 12 years old, and it is so weird to think that he has been the longest YouTuber that I have been watching, and he has obviously changed a lot, but I loved him back then and I love him now and what he creates. So I thought I'd create like a conspiracy makeup look that is centered around their new makeup products. This look is a conspiracy in itself. This is kind of colors and the look that I'm kind of thinking that they're going to create. So lots of the logos that I'm using in my makeup look were from his episode 3 video where they showed screenshots of the pans. I'm going to be taking a lot of these logos and putting them in my makeup look today, and I'm also going to be using colors that they might be using. And I used a lot of Jeffree Star Cosmetics in this look today. So on my lips I'm using Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin. I wear it all the time. And then for highlighter today I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Siberian Gold. I don't use this that much, but I should, and look how big it is. It's never going to run out, that's for sure. I use the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I love this so much, and it makes me want to use his products more because after talking about prices of beauty products and how his isn't made in China and how his is around like $20 to make each palette, just goes to show that his products are really good quality, and I'm so looking forward to Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star's collab. These images were online of his mirrors. That's all we know so far, and obviously he released his merch, which I sadly missed out on. I'm sure it got sold out within like a few hours or something. Anyway, before I get into the tutorial, it would mean so much if you could subscribe to my channel. Help me get to, what's the next milestone, like 55,000 subscribers. It would mean so much. And look, isn't it iconic that I have Jeffree Star lipsticks in the background of my videos? I'm gonna do a voiceover on this next section just because you don't want to hear me rambling for ages and I don't want this video to take forever. So let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm taking this white liner by LA Girl Cosmetics, and I am drawing on the word conspiracy on my forehead, and I always do like finer details with a white pencil first because I don't want to like stuff it up, and then it's much harder to remove a black liner than it is a white liner. And I'm taking this Tarte Tartiest Duo eyeliner, which has actually been so amazing for SFX looks. By the way, I'm going to cut into this video and say I'm going to buy a Jeffree Star mirror because look, I'm holding up this huge thing. I should be holding up Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson mirror. I so can't wait to buy one. I love my Thin Lizzy eyeliners, but this one seems even more so like pigmented and gives out a consistent line. I just love it so much. Yeah, so I really like this, and you've also got a pencil eyeliner on one end. And I decided to do the little triangle above the eye on the word conspiracy because it just makes me think of Illuminati and all those kind of things, and that's like the symbol of the triangle. And to make the writing more fancy, I added like these little lines at the edge of every letter, getting creative. yeah, I hope you guys like this look because I actually really like how fun it is. So now I'm taking the white liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics and I'm adding like the little highlights in the word. I think this kind of like adds to it a lot and just makes it look so much better when you add detail to things that you do. See, I wasn't going to do this, but I'm glad I did because it just makes it stick out. It almost looks like some kind of Harry Potter writing or something. But I didn't look at any font for this. I kind of just did something at the back of my hand kind of thing. Okay, so now I started doing the designs on my chest. I'm looking at that screenshot from the video.
Forever fighting the feeling that I am in
Jeffree Star logo, the little
trying to keep looking forward without getting scared. Knowing that this could be something if only I give in. Knowing to give in means giving a part of myself. Got a hold on me and I can't let go. My lips are sealed and I can't say no. So imprisoned in your hold, loving you so much that I can't let go. Can't you see that I am trying to hold it together? Holding on to you more than I'm holding on to me. It's hard to forgive you for making me feel like I'm falling. Realizing that your arms are my only safety. Got a hold on me and I can't let go. My lips are sealed and I can't say no. So imprisoned in your hold, loving you so much that I can't let go. Hold on me and I can't let go. My lips are sealed and I can't say no. So imprisoned in your hold, loving you so much that I can't let go. That I can't let go. Fighting myself, but I'm fighting for you. If you believe me, then teach me, now tell me the truth. Can you give me a flow? Don't break your promise, I want this, I can't let go.
that bright pink, and I'm just going over and over the I'm using the purples from the Blood Sugar palette. I know
I can't let a hold on me and I can't let go. My lips are sealed and I can't say no. So imprisoned in your hold, loving you so much that I can't let a hold on me and I can't let go. My lips are sealed and I can't say no. So I can't let a hold on me and I can't let go. My lips are sealed and I can't say no. So imprisoned in your hold, loving you so much that I can't let go.
Outlining all the pictures with that. And then after outlining all the pictures, I obviously shaded in a little bit more and add details and a little bit of colours and stuff like that to make it just pop a bit more and make it look a bit more interesting. I wish I kind of added a little bit more colours and different tones and stuff, but oh well, you guys probably will like this look anyway without all that. I'm just really fussy. I'm my biggest critic. Like when I do something, I always spot mistakes or something I could have done, and then everyone's like, why are you critiquing yourself so much? But I'm sure everyone does that to themselves. So yeah. And a lot of people ask, how do I do designs on my chest? I honestly just look in a mirror and look really closely and just do it. I guess you have to have a really steady hand for this kind of work, but I honestly didn't think I had a steady hand, but I must do, because everything kind of turns out how I want it. And a lot of you guys ask me, like, how do you not make mistakes? Like, do you have to rub it all out and do it again? Someone just asked me this the other day, and also someone at work asked me this the other day, and I said, I really get mistakes. Like, I'm just really lucky. Like, I just think something in my head and then I do it and then it just turns out alright and I don't need to rub it off and start again. I mean, yeah, but that's also why I do the white eyeliner underneath first, because I'm tracing out the idea and the size. There has been times where I don't like the white eyeliner like what I've drawn, and I can just easily rub it out. Like you just rub the white eyeliner into your skin, so that's why I do that. And as you can see here, I'm starting to shade things in, making it look good and more detailed. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this look, and let's chat all Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star down below. I hope you guys watch them. I feel like a majority of my audience is guys as well, but I'm sure they'll have a lot of guys watching them as well. So yeah, now I'm just highlighting all these images with the white. I think, like I said earlier, you should so highlight things with white because it just makes things stand out and it makes it look so much more cooler and more detailed. So yeah, I outline everything. And I've just come back from my work doing Auckland. It was so fun. We had an awesome time. We went to Kabuki, which was like a little Japanese restaurant, and they cook in front of you, and it was so interactive, and the guy was so funny, and he like threw rice and eggs at us and we had to like catch it all, and he just made huge flames. It was really cool. And then we went to a comedy show in Auckland, and we stayed in the Queen Street Hotel, and we also watched the Rugby World Cup. So it was a really cool weekend away, and I always look forward to our work weekends away. We do it once a year, but we just do it super early because none of us are available in like November or December times. But yeah, I just am so grateful for having teachers that I really love.
Forever fighting the feeling that I am in danger, trying to keep looking forward without getting scared, knowing that this could be something if only I give.
I'm just adding tears here.
Knowing to giving means giving a part of myself. Got a hold on me and I can't let go. My lips are sealed and I can't say no. So imprisoned in your hold, loving you so much that I can't let go. That I can't let go. Can't you see that I am trying to hold it together? Holding on to you more than I'm holding on to me. It's hard to forgive you for making me feel like I'm falling, realizing that your arms are my only safety. Got a hold on me and I can't let go. My lips are sealed and I can't say no. So
I think it's gonna be
imprisoned in
so
your
good.
hold, loving you so much that I can't
Yeah.
let go. Hold on me and I can't let go. My lips are sealed and I can't say no. So imprisoned in your hold, loving you so much that I can't let go.
You know, definitely enjoying the Shane series. Do you want to freestyle to release products permanent and not limited edition? What are you going to get your hands on?
Fighting myself, but I'm fighting for you. If you believe me, then teach me, now tell me the truth. Can you give me a phone? Don't make a promise, I want this like I'll let
So
go.
don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also leave any video recommendations down below. They would help out so much. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.